finger off.
Up into the future, he says. Wow. Look at that. Almost empty.
Today is March
6th. We're building our house. You can hear them now. It brings the view in. Oh, that was so easy.
Yeah. See? Look.
Oh yeah.
Look at that.
Yeah.
A delicious beverage.
Boop. Yeah.
Need to be a lot skinnier at the tip there, sweets.
Do you want to try fingers?
You ever think about how, like, you know, a train goes by, you hear it honk a few times, but the dudes on the train, they're honking constantly. Like, think all the roads that thing goes over. The whole time it's like,
You want? I think you're doing it with the blade side.
that'd be crazy.
You're not that dumb.
Can I see?
You want to open the wiener? Do you want to open the wiener? Please, please wiener me.
Hey, whoa. What are you doing? I'm gonna break my vacuum seal, bro.
It's dripping.
Boots are in the fucking fire. You scrunch that wiener.
I
You
know.
didn't make it skinny. Those gummies are good. Woo-hoo.
It's a calorically dense meal. Why did it say share size? As if you're gonna share 20 gummies.
Because we're sharing them right now. Expect you and a group of goofy friends to get a share pack and split them even. If you plan on doing anything crazy, you should conserve the battery. Nah.
I've seen fire before.
Your dog is oozing.
Oh.
Oh, I found a gummy on my lap. Whoa, cluster.
This video is sponsored by French's Tomato Ketchup.
French's?
No Heinz. Mayonnaise. Hot dog.
What are you, a child?
Boy, oh boy. You always look scared in pictures.
I'm scared of pictures.
Ew. No!
Get that fucking weenie on the smoker. This is innovation. Oh. Dog love.
Ew, you put it in your mouth. Ew.
Ow.
Show your finger. Yuck. Oh, I didn't know your thumb got it too.
Ow. It burned me. Candy.
Hot dog.
God damn it. Hey.
That's closed.
knock. Oh, there's a turd right there.
You don't get dinner.
That's too bad. Maybe I'll just starve. Have a nice dinner.
Taking the plastic down.
You should have been a plumber.
No.
Yeah, you should have been a plumber and got covered in poop every day.
You and your threading things too tightly.
I don't know what you think you've been told.